Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A30S and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. First, swipe up the screen and go to the settings. In it, we tap on connections and there we must tap data usage. Now we must turn on our mobile data and there we have open to access to our mobile data limits. We set it, we click there, and first we can start billing size on and choose day when we want to start our billing size, maybe the first day of each month. Then we can turn on turn off data warming and we can custom it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. And last function, we can turn on set data limits and we can set it in the same story as warming. When we choose our number, we press set. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.